Alright guys, welcome once again to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you one of the arbitrage trading opportunities. However, there are things that you should know before you embark this arbitrage trading opportunity. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I will want you to subscribe to the channel, like this video even if you are not the first time of watching the video, and hit the notification bell because I release videos from time to time whenever I see that there is crypto arbitrage trading opportunity. Wherever you are watching me from, give me thumbs up. Okay, in today's video we are going to learn about arbitrage trading. We are going to use one of the platforms and do demonstration, and I'll show you things that you should consider before you do crypto arbitrage trading. Crypto arbitrage trading is profitable if you find the right coin and you know how to do it, and you know the limit or the strategies involved in it. It entails a lot. You don't just have to enter the platform and whenever you just see the coin you just have to do the arbitrage trading. You need to consider so many things. One, you need to consider the exchange that it was listed on, whether there is liquidity where you are going to buy it from, where there's liquidity that the coin can be executed, and you also consider where you are going to sell it, whether there is liquidity where the coin can be considered, and also you check those who are willing to buy. Are they willing to buy at a price that you will make profit? All these are coming together to make your arbitrage trading successful. Okay, so in today's video, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use this platform, which is gate.io, and then Maxi platform. Okay, so stay tuned and watch the video to the end. This is not a long video, it's just like 8-minute video. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know about arbitrage trading. So let's start. In this platform, let's say I am using $100 to do this trade. Okay, so this $100, what the first thing I want to check is to see if I can get the coin executed from these sellers. Okay, I am going to buy from this platform and I will need this amount of coin. So let's divide it and see how much you will need. That's 246,000. That's is 2 million. Okay, 2 million coins. So let's see if you get 2 million coins, and the least that people are willing to sell is let's do it again. The least that people are willing to sell is 4108. Okay, 4108. So on this side you can see that we are having 1 million. So from here to here, how much will we get? Will we get 2 million coins? Okay, so if you will not get 2 million coins, you need to add this side or this side. So you need to use the market price, and people who are willing to buy too, you can see that there are buyers here who are buying it lower than this price. So since we need 2 million coins, we will need to use more capital. Then we have to reduce it, because if we are looking for 2 million coins, it will not be able to execute. So with this, let's go for $50, which is 1 million. Okay, so with 1 million coins, we will 1.2 million. That means we will be able to buy it at a bit lower at this price. Okay, at this price, that's 1.3 million. So let's set it at 4. So let's go to the market section, then we set it at 422 because we want the coin to execute fast. So that means we have to add $1. So if we increase it by 50, okay, this is how much we are going to make. So let's come here and sell it. If we are going to sell it at this price, so we will make 1.14 USDT. Okay, 1.14 USDT. But if we are going to buy it at the normal price here, at the normal price, they will share it according to all these coins. So the profit margin will also increase because we are not exactly buying it at this price. Okay, we are not buying it exactly at that price, because here it will execute, here it will execute, here it will execute, then it will share across. So the profit will also increase. So if you see that there is liquidity on the platform, then we have to change this. Then we use the market order. Okay, we use the market order. So this is what I recommend you here if you see that there is more liquidity on the platform. And if you also check and you see that there is the price that you want to buy it, you can still make profit, then you can set your price there, then you buy. Then we come to this platform. Let's say we bought it at the normal price. Okay, the least price that the person want to the least price that the person want to sell. Okay, the least price. Then we go to this platform, then we paste it on the platform, which means we'll be making around 52.40, which is 522.4 USDT. And when you check here, you could see that on this platform, the liquidity, or how much people willing to buy it, as they are buying it very low, very low. They are not buying it at the market price. This is the market price. They are not buying it at this market price, which means if we sell it to the market order, we are going to lose profit here, because we will not make profit, because those who are willing to buy are buying it, setting their price at lower, and those who are willing to sell so are setting it at a higher price. You see, this is one of the things that you should consider when you are doing arbitrage. And also, when you check here, when you want to use the limit order and set the price to also come like 454 something, this price is positive, which means the chance of this coin to come down on this platform is very high. So you may set it at a positive sign, and if the price of the coin decreases, you will lose your profit, and you may even lose much of your capital, because if it decreases by 11% and becomes 0 or negative 1%, which means this all profit or your capital will also decrease. Okay, so when you find a coin like this that is trading with different volatility, or different, the sellers are not willing to buy at the price of the buyers, or the buyers are not willing to buy at the price of the sellers, and the sellers are not always also willing to sell at the price of the buyers, then I recommend that you look for different coin. And if the coin is also having a positive sign like this, you look for different coin. Okay, because with this you cannot use the limit order. When you use it, there's a chance of you losing profit. That's why I always tell you to look at all these things. Okay, and the next thing is to look at the exchange, because even if it's a chance of it for us to do the arbitrage, we have to see if we can deposit. Okay, I know that all these things, you know how to do it. It is on the BNB smart chain. Okay, BNB smart chain, which means we could have done this arbitrage simple, but um the liquidity of the coin will not allow us to do it. Okay, and you could see that the price, or the fees is low, so that we could have done it very easy and could have made profit from it. But the liquidity is something that you should also consider. So I want you to put this coin as your favorite and be checking it from time to time, because I believe that in that platform the coin is going to come down, and by the next time you check, it may have, on this platform it may be higher on this platform than that platform. It may be selling lower the next time there. So keep on checking it from time to time. Thank you. And this is how to go about it. This is how to always check your arbitrage um, coin, to see if it is well created coin, it is well for you to use it as your arbitrage. Thank you very much.